Today, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to deposit and withdraw cryptocurrency into your Exness trading broker account. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. If you don't have an account with Exness yet, don't worry. I've created a video specifically for you. You can watch it to learn how to set up your account. However, if you already have an account, simply check the link provided in the description or the pinned comment. It will take you directly to this page. To begin, click on the hamburger menu at the top of the screen and select Platforms. We're going to download the Exness app to make depositing and withdrawing easier. Next, click on Exness Trader app, which will take you to the download page. Choose your operating system. If you're using an iPhone, select the App Store. If you're an Android user, choose Google Play. Alternatively, you can download the app with APK mode. In my case, I'll download it with an APK mode. After the download is complete, you'll need to manually install the app. If you downloaded it from the App Store or Google Play, the app will be installed automatically. After installing the app, it will appear on your device's home screen. Open the app and click on Sign In. Enter your email address and password, then click on the Sign In button. Once you've signed in, you'll be prompted to set a passcode to securely access your account. Choose a 6-digit number for your passcode. You can also add your fingerprint for more security. After setting up your passcode, you'll be directed to your account's homepage. It will look like these when you first start using the app. In the profile section, you'll notice that your account is verified. However, if you haven't made any deposits yet, you might not see this. Before making a deposit, ensure that you're on a real account. While you have the option to create a demo account, deposits can only be made into a real account. Once you've confirmed that you're on a real account, proceed by clicking on the Deposit button. Today, we'll be depositing funds using cryptocurrency. We're using Bitcoin. Click on Copy Address to copy the Bitcoin address provided. You can then send the desired amount of Bitcoin to this address from your Bitsion wallet. Another option for depositing funds is to use USDT Tether. When depositing USDT, ensure that you're using the correct network. In this case, we'll be using the ERC20 network. It's crucial not to use any other network like BEP20 or TRC20. After selecting the ERC20 network, click Continue. You'll then be shown a wallet address where you can deposit your USDT funds. Simply copy this address. Whether you're depositing Bitcoin or USDT, copying the wallet address is the next step in the process. This address will be used to send your funds to your Exness trading account. I'll be using Binance to deposit my funds, but you can use any other crypto wallet you're using. In the address section, paste the address you copied earlier. This ensures that your funds will be deposited into your Exness trading account. Next, in the network section, make sure to choose the correct network. As mentioned earlier, for USDT deposits, we're using the ERC20 network. It's crucial to select the proper network here to avoid any potential loss of funds. So, pay close attention when making this selection. Now fill in the amount you wish to deposit. For this video, I'll deposit 50 USDT including the fee. Click on Withdraw, then proceed by clicking Confirm. You'll then need to complete the verification steps and click Submit. That's all there is to it. Within 5 minutes, the transaction will be completed. Now, let's head over to our Exness account and wait a few minutes. Soon enough, the deposited funds will appear in our account. It's as simple as that. When depositing funds using USDT, the funds will appear directly in our Exness account. However, if we deposit using Bitcoin, we'll need to convert it to USDT. Go to your profile and click on the balance to hit transfer. Then, select between your accounts. Next, select the account you want to transfer the funds to. Click Continue and then Confirm. Now that the funds are in your main account, you're ready to start trading. Simply head over to the trade section and begin trading. If you're interested in learning how to trade with Exness, let me know by commenting tutorial below. If there's enough interest, I'll create a video tutorial showing you how to trade using Exness. Feel free to explore the platform and start trading when you're ready. Click on Withdraw. I recommend using USDT for withdrawals. In the withdrawal interface, you'll notice the need for a wallet address with the ERC20 network. To obtain this, head over to Binance and copy the ERC20 deposit address. Ensure it's the correct network to avoid any potential loss of funds. Once you have the correct wallet address, return to your Exness account and paste it in the designated field. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw, and then click Continue. and follow the verification steps prompted by Exness. After verification, click Confirm, then OK. That's it. Within a few minutes, you'll find the withdrawn funds in your wallet. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe to this channel.